Dear students, today I am going to explain you some numericals of physics. Physics numerical. Okay. The first question is, it is related to speed time graph. This is a speed time graph. Okay. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. On the x-axis, time is given in second. On the y-axis, speed is given in meter per second. Okay. The question is, the speed time graph of a car is given below. The car weighs 1000 kilogram. What is the distance traveled by the car in the first 2 seconds? And what is the braking force applied at the end of 5 seconds to bring the car to a stop within 1 second? So first of all, the first thing that we are going to find out, the distance traveled. The distance traveled by the car in the first 2 seconds, and that is equals to first 2 seconds. That means this is the area covered by the object. AB, area of the ABE triangle will give us the distance traveled. So that is equals to area of triangle ABE, and that is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. So here base is how much? A, and height is B. So the value of A is 2 seconds. So 2 you write, and B is 15. 2 to cancel. So this is 15 meter is the distance traveled. Now second thing that we have to find out is the braking force applied. That means we have to find out the retarding force. So first of all, we will find out force. Force is equals to what? For this, we have to find out acceleration. Because mass is already given to us, that is 1000 kg. Now, you know that here the object, that means in the fifth second it is telling, in the fifth second, at the fifth second the body is at C, where it is moving at uniform speed. So at C, uniform speed is U, that is how much? 15 meter per second. Okay, and at D, the body retards, that means there is retardation. So we will find out here the final velocity, and this is U is here initial velocity. Okay, of the speed. Then at point D, final speed, that is equals to V is 0 because it stops, and therefore A equals to V minus U by T. V is how much? 0. U is 15, and time from 5 to 6, that means 6 minus 5, that is minus 15 by 1, that is minus 15 meter per second square. And now we have to find out force. Force equals to M into A. That is equals to 1000 into minus 15 equals to minus 15,000 Newton. Therefore, here it is negative. So this is called retarding force. But when we are writing retarding force, we will not write minus sign. Simply we will write 15,000 Newton. Okay, but force, only when we are writing F, then minus 15,000 we will write. But when we are writing retarding force, minus we will not write, because retarding means negative. So this is the answer. Now, second question is, to estimate the height of a bridge over a river, a stone is dropped freely in the river from the bridge. The stone takes 2 seconds to touch the water surface in the river. Calculate the height of the bridge from the water level. One thing we have to keep in mind, when something falls from a height, falls. In that case, we take plus c. And when something is thrown upward, thrown, upward. In that case, we take minus c. Okay, these two things always we have to keep in mind, which is also called acceleration. This is acceleration due to gravity. Both are here same. Now, so in this case, we have to find h, that is height, equals to what? Okay, and here time is given 2 seconds, and acceleration due to gravity, that is g, it is plus 9.8 meter per second square. And since from the second equation of motion, we know that s equals to ut plus half at square. This is for linear motion. Yes, but in this case, the body is falling, yeah, from up. So we will write here in place of s, we will write h ut plus half gt square. Yes, and here u is initial velocity is 0. So 0 into t time is how much? 2 seconds plus 1 by 2 into 9.8 into 2 into 2. 2 cancel. So 0 plus 19.6 equals to 19.6 meter. This is the height of the river, that means height of the bridge from the water surface. Okay, thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.